guys, we are looking at the suffixes en, ent, ence this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys on my phone what we're doing. So the en suffix, which would be all suffixes are joined at the end of the word. So en means to cause to be, or to cause to have, or to become. And what it does is it creates a word, turns it into a verb, which is, again, something you do. So we can see examples: lengthen, darken, have written, had eaten, has broken. We can have those helper verbs going with the verb that's actually creating. Ent also means to cause an action or being in a state. It turns words into adjectives. So we see examples: permanent, absent, convenient, violent. And then our last one that we're looking at is ence, and this creates nouns. It's a condition or an action. So what they're wanting you to do in the directions is it tells you to underline the word that has the correct suffix. There are some examples of other suffixes that are in these sentences, so just be very mindful of if they're using the suffix correctly for what we're looking at. So in example number 1, it says they studied the violent eruptions of the past. We see violent ends in ent. Ent creates adjectives. What kind of eruptions? Violent eruptions. So we know that that's actually correct. It is an adjective, and then we see that they put the definition. So you can find your definitions on dictionary.com using your phone or tablet, any kind of device you might have at home. Or if you have a physical dictionary, you can look them up that way. If you have neither of these, you can just put what you know the word to mean in your best ideas. On number 2, it says they confirmed the existence of extinct volcanoes. So if we look at existence, we see it ends in ence. I'm going to highlight that. And existence with ence creates a noun. Existence is a thing. It's something that you could say it's the existence of it. So it's definitely going to be a noun. So in this box, we're going to write noun. My handwriting is not wonderful working on the tablet. I don't have a pen or anything, so I'm using my finger. And then right here, you are going to create, in this box or this spot on your paper, that's where you're going to write the definition. All right, in number 3, it says scientists have taken measurements of the lava's progress. Although measurements ends in ents, it's not an adjective, so that's not the word we're looking for. So it's not measurements. So let's look at the word taken. Taken ends with en. And if we look at en, it says that en creates a verb. Taken is a verb, so that's how we know this is the correct one. So in the box, we're going to write verb, or on the line. And then right here, in there, you are going to write the definition of what it means for something to be taken. All right, in number 4, it says in legends, events may awaken a sleeping volcano. If we look at the word awaken, it ends in en. And again, en creates verbs. Awaken is something that somebody or something can do, so it is a verb. We're going to write verb. And again, right there, you're going to write the definition of awaken.